Today I'm showing you how I make my no-bake peanut butter pie, which is perfect for those hot summer days. And I'm using a pre-made graham cracker crust. You can easily make your own. And it's going to have just a few things: some peanut butter, some cream cheese, and some whipping cream. So let's get it made. So I've got my box of cream cheese, and it's been sitting to get room temperature. So it's nice and softened. So to the cream cheese, I'm going to add my peanut butter. 1 cup of this peanut butter to the cream cheese. And I'm going to mix that until it's well blended. Okay, so now we're going to mix in 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And it's a little bit of a crumbly mixture, but that's all right. I'm going to sea salt because that was unsalted butter. And a 1/2 cup of Cool Whip or your own whipping cream. Just going to mix that on low. Now it's a nice creamy whipped texture. So now we'll spread that in our pie crust. There's our peanut butter pie going in the fridge. My peanut butter pie has been in the fridge mine's been overnight, but 4 hours would be plenty. You could drizzle on some chocolate, melted chocolate chips, or put some whipped cream on the top. I'm just going to drizzle on some Nutella. So I've got a big spoonful in a baggie here. And I'm just going to put that down into the corner. And I won't have to melt it. I do melt my chocolate chips like this just by putting them in a glass of hot water. But for the Nutella, I'm thinking it's soft enough that I'll be able to squeeze out a little bit on the top here. Snip that corner off. And I'm just going to put a squirrely or you could always spread a whole layer of it on the top if you wanted. I just wanted a little chocolate to go with the peanut butter. So there's our no-bake peanut butter pie. And I'm taking that to my mom's today because she invited us for a corned beef and cabbage dinner. So I'm bringing dessert. Thank you for creating with me.